Hello beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Welcome to Chess TV 25. Today I'm going to be making suya. Yay, suya. With steak, beef steak. So I'm going to cut them into small and tiny pieces. So I've got 3 packs. This is 1 pack, this is another pack, and this is another pack. So I'm going to dice it, show you the process of my cleaning. So let's make suya. So I've cut them into small pieces. Yeah. So I'm going to clean it now. I'm going to put salt to clean it. And after, I'm going to use lemon. Lemon is very good. Can you see? So I'm going to run hot water. To clean it. Now this is my 4th rinse. I'm going to put my lemon. So this will be my last rinse. Okay, now beautiful people, now I'm going to season my beef now. So I've put put some oil. I'm going to add peanut butter. Yummy. I'm going to add 1 spoon of paprika. One spoon of suya spice, some garlic. I'm going to put a little bit of my mixed spice, 1 spoon as well. A little bit of salt. Maggi cube. So now I'm going to mix it. Before putting it on the tray and put it in the oven. Now I'm going to put it on the tray now. I'm not putting it on the stick. It's looking like suya already. Yes. So this is going to go with sweet potato for dinner tonight. With salad, cucumber, tomatoes. So I'm going to show you the process of the sweet potato as well. Okay, beautiful people, you can see it's ready to go in the oven now. I've already preheat the oven. I told you the suya is going to go with potato. It's going to go with sweet potato. I've rinsed the potato, I've cleaned it with warm water. I'm going to put some salt. Also put garlic. and I'm going to add a little bit of put just one. And paprika as well to give it a little bit of spice. Also add a little bit of oil, because I'm going to bake it as well. I'm not frying it. This will go into the air fryer. So I'm going to cut my onions. I'm going to slice it for the suya. Ready to set my platter on a large tray. So everything is going to go on this tray. So the suya is ready. It's out of the oven. The suya is going to go on top of the onions so that the onions can be juicy as well. Okay, beautiful people, the suya is ready. This is the suya, guys. It's very, very juicy and yummy. The potato, yummy. We've got tomato, we got cucumber, we got lettuce, and this is a meal. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. Don't forget to like my video, please, everybody. Make your comment and share. Thank you so much. My yummy suya is ready. Take care, beautiful people. Take care.